It's a hot one out there today, as you can tell by the sweat. So let me explain how to clean a wool rug. All right, let's see what we can do with this beauty here. So this is a wool rug. So wool rugs you have to be very gentle with. As far as the chemicals goes, as far as the vacuuming goes, you gotta be careful or you can really ruin an expensive rug. So let's talk about it. All right, when it comes to vacuuming, first and foremost, try to avoid anything that has a beater. You don't want to go ahead and do that with a wool rug. So use something that has good suction. Something like a Henry vacuum is an excellent choice. Just like this one. Remember, the trick is to get as much of the dry debris out as possible before you start cleaning it. A nice little trick here as well is after you thoroughly vacuum this part of it, especially around the dark spots, make sure to take a brush that's not too aggressive and lightly work out some of those areas, just in case there's any more loose debris that can be brought up to the surface. Then vacuum it again and then begin the cleaning process. And just as you think you're finished thoroughly vacuuming this whole rug, make sure not to forget the bottom of it. Make sure to vacuum the bottom of it, then flip it over again and do one last pass over the top to really make sure you give it a thorough vacuuming. You see, I wasn't kidding. You have to do the back side of it too. Another good reason to vacuum the back of it is it tells you a lot about the stains that you see up front. Now, this particular one is going to be bad because this stain went all the way through. So in the backing of this rug, you can see, might be a little hard to see on the camera here, but you see that yellowing area right here? Yeah, so we're going to have to work away at that. All right, when you start pre-treating the stains, make sure to keep in mind to work from the outside of the rug inside. You don't want to end up spreading the stain more than has to be. So make sure to keep that in mind. With any stain, always start at the outside and work in. So another fun fact about wool rugs like this is you need to use low moisture. You can't just oversaturate things, so you got to be careful with that, okay? So work with a mist, and when we do the extraction process, I'll show you that as well. You don't need a whole bunch. Use the proper chemistry, not too much water, and lightly brush it in with a brush. And that is the first part to pre-treating this. And remember, when you're agitating, be gentle. This is a wool rug. Don't be aggressive, scrubbing like crazy. For little spots like this where the furniture sits on, you can use an ice cube and let it sit there for a moment. So one question I get a lot is it normal to have little bits of the wool come up when you're cleaning? The answer is yes. Now, that being said, this is pretty much it for the entire rug. If you have a whole bunch and it looks like you're shaving the thing, you're probably being too aggressive with it. So another great tip to keep in mind that I absolutely love is using a white terry cloth like this to see if you can transfer a little more of the dirt from the heavy stained areas onto it. Because if you can do that, again, that'll be less that you have to extract, making your job easier. Okay, back to the ice spots. There you go. You see all the fibers? Now, obviously, it's a little more saturated than the rest, but you can see they're standing up again. And when you work this in after the cleaning, it's gonna look great. Remember to do slow passes and a few dry passes afterwards. Another important thing is you want airflow underneath the rug and on top of it. All right, let's see what came out of that rug. There you go. Gorgeous. Look at all that dirt. Remember to always double check your work. You want to deliver quality results for customers so they keep coming back. Using one of these lights will definitely help you make sure you don't miss any stains. All right, thanks for watching. And before you go, remember, low heat, low moisture, gentle agitation, and please make sure that you don't oversaturate this rug and make sure you dry it quickly. Thanks for watching, and if you like this channel, please subscribe.